Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So, if you wish to remove all setup from your device, just enter the settings, then scroll all the way down, mark System and Updates, and here you'll find Reset. Open the options and pick the first one, which is Reset All Settings. Now mark Reset All Settings, confirm, and wait till it's done. And that's it. Now you can customize it from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.